Today we're going to tighten the clips on the upper torso of SimMan Essentials, SimMan 3G, and SimMan 3G Plus. These clips are all over in the upper torso area for the right arm, left arm, for the chest plate, and also the abdominal extension. So these plastic clips have a gold-looking clip. It's probably not gold. A gold-looking clip that is a U-shaped, and it looks just like this if you can't zoom in. And then it connects to a round connector. So sometimes as the arms and everything's getting moved around, the clips in there can get spread apart and make less contact. So we're going to show you how to fix that today, or at least help out the diagnosis if you're having pulse sensor problems, if you're having some of the speakers in the chest plate are not working. It's usually the wires, but sometimes this can help as a quick diagnostic. Today you're going to need one of the smallest flathead screwdrivers you can get. This one says 1.4 millimeter. Even this one's just a tad too big, but it works. And then also a standard size screwdriver. This is what I have right now, but I'll make that work. So you're also going to need some fancy green gloves, and don't forget your Crocs. So with that said, now we're going to roll over our chest skin. This guy is in for some major repairs, so please excuse all of the broken parts. Abdominal cover rolls over. This chest plate comes off. Release the two hoses. Release the clip over here. Just lift it up, and then lay your chest piece over here, so without pulling in the wires. So next we want to release the hose underneath the chest plate assembly, and then in here, in order to diagnose the pulses, we're going to release the clip that says pulses. So just grab on that and pull it out. Try not to wiggle it, because you can actually spread the connections and make it worse. So what you're going to do is, if you look in there, there's that U-shaped connector, and you're going to get along each one and go the same direction for all of them, or get in the same spot. Try not to miss your connection, but I put the screwdriver along the wall of one side, and then I just get in there just a little bit, and then I just give a little bit of a tug, so it closes that Y connection. And do that for all of them. So try to get in there the best you can, and you just need a little bit of a movement to get the close. You don't want it super tight. You'll get a feel for it. So, and then do that with all of them. So again, all you're doing is you're closing this Y-shaped connector that's in there, that gold piece, because the connector that goes onto is a round piece. So we're trying to get that to a tighter connection. Do that, and then when you put it back together, keep in mind the connection is going to be really tight, so just try to go as straight on as you possibly can, and then use a little force to push on. So same thing you can do with the chest plate speakers. There's a bunch on here, so if you're having problems with heart or lung sounds, you can go through and close all of those connections. Now, when you put this one back on, you're gonna need a little bit bigger screwdriver, because this clip wants to fall, clip holder wants to fall back in the mannequin when you're putting it on. So when you're putting it back on, put the clip on, and then get in between this clip retainer and the clip itself, and just hold it right there, so it doesn't wanna close as you're putting it in. And again, push straight on. Don't try to wiggle any of that. Just push straight on, and it'll close. So that should do it.